So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Orient Green Power share. So previously, when we have discussed about this particular stock, we have discussed in penny stock series. I've mentioned about it, and also I've discussed all the fundamentals followed by financials of the company. So somewhere around 7 to 8 rupees level, we have discussed about it. So at that point of time, in between it has opened, and again it has given some very good rally. But in the recent times, we know 2 days we have seen correction in the stock, so little bit downtrend the stock has observed, and again today the stock has given a very good retracement. So that thing clearly I have mentioned in the Telegram group. So when it was about to hit upper circuit, I have mentioned people who are interested to buy this particular stock, they can check out. So later it has closed in the upper circuit, so we'll try to find out what can be the next possible targets. And if you're also planning to invest, so which zones we need to focus, especially for long term. So each and everything in detail we'll try to discuss. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so morning in the Telegram group, as I told, somewhere around 9:70, 9:18, I have mentioned that in the Telegram group that green power stock is open. So both in NSE and BSE, you can try if you want to buy it. So because once in NSE the stock goes into upper circuit, so then suddenly the BSE volume starts changing, and if it's in lower circuit, so that will start going in the upper circuit, so their chances will increase. So once if you miss in NSE, you can try in BSE. So what is the difference between NSE and BSE? So slightly price difference would be there. Let's say in BSE it may be around 0.4 per rupees, 0.5 rupees, little higher price would be present as compared to NSE. But if you buy there, ultimately the price will be adjusted to your NSE segment, and once the stock starts going in upside directions, automatically you will be in a profitable zone itself. So nothing to worry about that. So if you are missing in NSE, you can try in BSE. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts, both on daily chart and weekly chart. We'll try to do the complete analysis. Okay, so before we go to the technical chart, so let us see how the stock has performed in the last 5 sessions. So we can see already the stock has corrected around 10%. But if we see the overall picture of 1 year, so you can see 310% returns have been given. That is 3 times investment was successfully completed by this particular stock. But if we see the overall picture, that is from a listing to current situation, so we can say still the stock is down around 77.52%. So the major hurdle for the stock is to cross the 20 rupees level, so which will be a multi-year breakout. So when that multi-year breakout will happen, so obviously we can expect a very good rally in the long term as well. So first it should cross that 20 in the near term. So before going to technical charts, so you need to understand that the last time when you have done the complete financials and fundamental analysis, so you have seen the stock has improved a little bit on year basis. So profits and revenues have turned into green as compared to previous quarter. That is one of the reason why the stock has given some very good returns. Okay, so remember that. So now let's go to charts. Okay, so if I try to observe in a weekly chart, so as I told, back to back green candles were observed in green power, and as I told, this particular week we have seen a red candle, but again a wick is being generated at the bottom. So it tells that at the 9 rupees or 10 rupees, so buyers are ready to take the stock in the upside direction. So correction, when it happens, so when fundamentals and financials, so when they are in very good phase, when they are improving, so that correction would be just temporary. So any stock giving a huge rally, if it is correcting, it means that it's just a normal profit booking, and when again it starts retracing, it implies that the fundamentals and financials are very good. So that is what we are seeing even in green power. So the first important resistance would be somewhere around 11 rupees level. So if it crosses that 11 rupees, so in the coming sessions we can expect the stock to move further towards the 20 rupees level. Okay, so as I told, 20 rupees level is going to be a multi-year breakout. So if it does that, then you can see an overall picture in the long term as well. It would give a very good return. Okay, so this is in weekly chart. So let's even try to analyze in daily chart. Okay, so if you try to observe the daily chart, as I told, 10.05 was a very important, we can say number, we can say whole number for this particular stock. And as I told, so why the stock today itself, it has given a retracement. You can see earlier during this particular region itself, the circuit got opened and again it has closed in the upper circuit. So whenever any circuit openings or anything, so that we take as a very good level or opportunity. So same thing was seen even in green power. So support wise, 9 rupees level is going to be a very good support for the near term, and resistance wise, as I told, 11.5 or 11 rupees, anything in that zone you can take it as a resistance. So once it crosses that, you can expect a very good rally. Okay, so these are near term levels. So since it is a little bit of penny type of stock, so risk would be involved, so trade accordingly. So just invest small portions and leave it for long term. So any further doubts you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.